Hello all, welcome to Middle Class Trader. So in this video I'm going to share my experience and share my analyze experience which is based on the Tata Motors. So here in this picture the Tata Motors Friday close, Friday positions in these pictures. So based on these pictures, based on the previous close and compared with Thursday close, so I'm going to create a support and resistance levels of Tata Motors in Monday market. So before going to the further steps, so the market closed for 106.40. So in between that it reaches the low of 103.30 and it reaches the high for 106.95. So I'm going to take this position which is based on the high and low position and open and close the position. So okay, so I'm going to compare. And also in this is a 5 minute chart. So in this last 10 minutes we know very well for the Tata Motors is going down. So we know clearly see the two red candles so based on that I'm choosing the market will going to the market is going to a downtrend. Okay, so based on that I'm based on the based on that Friday close and Thursday close I'm choosing the support level. So I choose three support level, which is support level 1 for 100.60. Okay, and I'm choosing the second support level for in between 104.50 and 105, and then I'm choosing the third support level for 103.80. So these are the three support level I'm using this particular chart. So why? Because that last 10 minutes it shows that it's going to down. So in case it is going to down in the Monday market, so where we can exit, so that's why I choose this support level. And also I'm choosing the resistant levels, so which is the previous day high, which is that 107. The 107 rupees is the highest high for the Friday market. So I'm choosing 107. So based on that, so I'm choosing the second resistance, which is 107.70, and third level is 108.55. So these are the three resistance level. So in Monday market, the market will going down means that time in case we are holding any shares in the Tata Motors, that time we need to exit from the first support level. In case in case we are not going to exit the first support level, means just we will wait and see whether when it is crosses the second level. In case second support level is breaking, so that time we are going to sell. So that is the basic information about against this. So in case you want to buy, means just at the time when it crosses the resistance, that time you will go to buy. So in this method, in this chart, this is a 1 hour chart I'm going to take in. So in the last final candlesticks, which is last 1 hour, so in this candlesticks pattern, it is registered a shooting star pattern. So in this shooting star pattern, in case the any of the pattern that shooting star is registered, that which is that trend is going to reversible. So based on these these candlesticks, based on these candlesticks, and I chooses and I analyzed it. So definitely the market will going down on the Monday. So 1 hour chart, I'm going to compare this on 1 hour chart, 30-minute chart and 15-minute chart. Each chart it shows the shooting star. Okay, up to this I guess Friday evening. So let's see today's market. So I'm also eagerly waiting for the today's market. Why? Because I'm analyze. So based on the analysis, our analysis is going to be in good state or not. So which we can see clearly in today's market. So hello guys, actually I'm very lag in communication. So if my communication is bad, please ignore that. And this video is for my experience which I faced in this particular share. Okay, so next we are going to see my analysis versus today market level. Okay, yeah, this is the today market. Okay, so today market for the Friday close 106.40, that mark, but today's market open 106.35 paise, but it is the highest value. So as per our analyze, the market is going down. So here the Tata Motors today went down. Okay, so today it's high position also, high and open position also same, but lowest position is a 103.85. Okay, so our analysis is going to be good. So here only I feel my experience. So actually I have experience for past 2 months, but I don't know how to express that, and so that's why I'm going to analyze for this particular shares. Yeah, so this is the 5-minute chart for today. So in this particular okay, after open the market for 106.35 paise, it's directly coming to very low. First 5 minutes is coming to a downtrend. Okay, so coming to the downtrend. So in this downtrend, so in this time, it breaks my first level of support. So in case I have hold any shares, means that time I will exit in this point. So why? Because so based on my calculation, so it is going to break my first level of support. Definitely I'm going definitely I will sell my all shares in this position for the intraday. So I'm not tell about long terms, so I'm just here discuss about my experience for the intraday position only. So next I'm comparing with the triangle pattern for the 5 minutes chart. So in this 5 minutes chart, I as I compared the as I compared the price action based on the price action triangle pattern. So that market is going again down. So here you can clearly see, right? So the market is try to come recover, but again it's going down. So I put this triangle pattern. So in case it is crosses this level for in case it is crosses this level for 105, so definitely it going to be a downtrend. So in this picture you clearly you see for the market open position and the first support level. So it breaks the first support level and break the second support level. So and clearly you can see that third support level, support level also touching, it's touched. So 104, sorry, 103.95. So it that third level of support also touched. In case if intraday if intraday person, we can holding the, in case we have holding shares in particular this Tata Motors, we are going to exit from the first level of support. So I'm guessing and based on my calculation, the previous close of previous close of Thursday and open and high value of Friday, it is going to be a good. So as per my analysis, the market is going down only. So in this picture here it is marked, right? So its market breaks first level of support, so that only the first pink color line, that is up to Friday market, and this is for today market. So again the market goes to break the second level of support. So for this I can so as per my analysis, for I'm facing that support and resistance levels are it's going to be a good. So thanks for watching my this video. If you like this video, hit a like button and share with your friends, subscribe to this channel. So today so we will see the next video. Thanks.